There's dialogue, which is self-explanatory, music, cut effects like explosions and gunshots, car chases and what have you, things that are basically pulled off of sound effects libraries. There are background sounds, which are establishing sounds, like we're in the city, so we would expect to hear sirens and horns honking. If we were in the country, we'd expect to hear birds chirping, at night, crickets. And then there's Foley. In there's probably about 30 different pairs of shoes, but I've tons and tons of shoes. If we need to sound a little more grassy, more dirty, you know, real dirt, rock. Since these pits are literally about 4 feet deep, to fill it up with all that gravel it's a lot of work and it's really expensive. Where this one here actually has a little bit of a squeak to it, if you get it. Ah, where you go? There it is. Ah, almost had it. Here it is. Ah, can't get it. The other thing is you got to hold your breath in between cues. While you're in the cue, I should say. Ready?
Here we go. Go.
All right, cool. That was just fine. Proximity and mic placement is the key to this job. Oh, whoops, wrong guy. Sorry. One more time, please. All right. Giving him levels makes all the difference in the world. It gives the engineer a second to figure out, you know, if we're in the right spot, sounds good, he's got the right level, enough room on the mic. These two guys on the screen here are going to be like doing something with some metal objects. So I have this. Yeah, he's going a lot slower. He's like
John picture or something.
Exactly. It hits the table first. So I'm going to split this up into 2 spots here, Mike, if we can.
Of course.
Let's get the hit on the table, and then we'll get the throw out onto the floor, okay? Boxing gloves, speed bag gloves, ski gloves, hockey gloves, dog feet gloves, bird feathers.
Cool.
Oh, yeah. The great Di Bondigliano tribe of the Western Plains, right?
I'm talking about on my mother's side, you shit stain.
So, what you're saying is you eat a lot of turkey.
I don't like turkey. Besides, turkey gives me gas.
Oh my God. You have issues, man. All right, gentlemen. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm out.
Yeah, me too, guys. You know what? Been a pleasure. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. All right? Peace.
See, you know, it's like before it was a very empty scene. Now it's like, you know, it's subtle. In reality, when it comes time to mix, those little subtleties really play. Especially like the one thing that really I needed most was that pencil throw, which wasn't there originally, and the footsteps coming out, the guy's getting out of the chair. We win.